Let's pivot to the burn it or build it rapid fire segment, which is everybody's favorite segment of the Burn It or Burn the Playbook podcast. I'll just throw out a bunch of different topics. You answer one way or the other, burn it or build it, and maybe a brief reason why. So we'll start with number one, giveaways.
If they're tied to an action you're trying to drive, definitely keep it. Burn it if it's a stressful.
Got it. I would say typically burn it myself. I'm not allowed to answer these questions, but I did. Burn the giveaways. Booth location.
Like where the right location someone should go for?
Doesn't matter.
Okay.
This is a better question.
Oh, doesn't matter. Yeah, it does. I saw someone get tucked by the bathroom once in a corner, and it really crushed the show. So yes, it absolutely matters. Look at throughput of traffic. Look at who you will be next to. If anything, try to figure out a non-competing brand that you can draft off of who has a similar buyer and would have a draw, and try to park yourself next to them.
The bathroom would actually be kind of like a good traffic.
It's just an awkward conversation starter if you think about it. Did you
someone
wash
just
your
comes
hands?
out of the bathroom and
yeah.
I'm guilty of this. Outrageous booth design. Burn it or build it. Because a lot of these booths, they all look the same. Should just stand out.
This may not be a popular, but I would say burn it only because some of the best booths I've seen are really, really clean and really articulate what the business is. And it's just one color, one statement, and you walk by and you're like, oh, that's cool. That's what you do. So sometimes I don't think it has to be outrageous to stand out.
Free food. I guess this goes back to giveaways, but if you're giving away food, burn it or build it.
Burn it. You're spending money on people who aren't your ICP.
Makes sense. What about live demos?
I'm going to say burn it as well because the staffing to size of the booth. Usually you can only engage one person in a demo at a time, maybe. And so if you had some really amazing projection system and it was appealing to everyone and it was kind of this ongoing thing, possibly, but generally speaking, it's going to work against you because no one will approach you when you're in a demo with someone else because you look busy. So I generally speaking say just aim to get it scheduled after the fact.
Agreed.
Or move to a private. I've seen some people do that. Demos are happening somewhere else.
Yeah, that makes sense. I've seen that at some shows where they have a little demo sidebar section. That makes sense. Badge scan quotas.
No, burn. It's not serving It's not serving anyone. It's a vanity metric.
AI written follow-up emails.
I'm going to say go for it as long as you have a copy editor. Someone looks at it. Why not? Why reinvent the wheel? If you're good at using AI to help you, go for it.
What if it's a spray and pray sort of tactic?
Oh no,
because
burn
I've
it.
received a lot of emails follow-up from shows that I've been to. I'm like, I never met you.
Yeah.
I would never need to buy anything from you. So
I would burn that. I look at it as from my perspective, it's okay, you can take the notes out of Show Scout or your voice memo you recorded. You can immediately get that over, have it draft the message based on what you were saying. That's where I look at AI. It's heck yeah. Use that all day long. But what you're describing, no, I'd burn that all day.
It all depends on how you're using it.